Plumbing problems? Heating issues? Is a clogged drain turning into a nightmare? Don't worry, KC's Plumbing is here to save the day. At KC's Plumbing, we offer fast, reliable, professional plumbing, heating, and drain cleaning services to keep your home running smoothly. From emergency plumbing repair to routine heating maintenance and drain cleaning, we've got you covered. With years of experience, we deliver top-notch service every time. Type in KC's Plumbing, Heating, and Drains to check out our customer reviews on Google. Your home deserves the best care. Why settle for less when you can call on KC's Plumbing? Professional service you can trust, guaranteed. Don't wait until it's too late. Visit www.kcplum.ca today to schedule your service. KC's Plumbing, your home's ultimate problem solver. At KC's Plumbing, your comfort is our priority.